I was this close to making the league, but right before the draft, I realized my true passion was in sales, so I became a sales rep. Let's imagine this hoop was my quota. This was me not too long ago. But then, I started using Chorus, a conversation intelligence tool from ZoomInfo. And now, just like hooping, sales takes practice and persistence. Chorus is the best tool I've found to help me get better on, well, not the court. What would the analogy be? The meeting room, the field. Just this morning, I closed my biggest deal to date, and I would not have been able to do it without Chorus. There's 3 main ways that Chorus helped me win this deal: analytics, film, and coaching. Before every call, I get an email with a meeting brief so I can go in with all the important information top of mind. After the call, I get another email with the next steps that were mentioned in the meeting so I can quickly follow up. I can also see stats like engaging questions and talk time, and across all my calls, I can see analytics for multi-threading, talk speed, filler words, longest monologue, the list goes on. This lets me see where I stack up against the other reps on my team. These analytics also keep me on track during my calls, get feedback from my fellow reps, and motivate me to keep improving. Diving in deeper is film review. Every call I have gets recorded, analyzed, and saved for me and others to review later. I can rewind the tape and see where I did well and where I still need to improve. I can also review calls from other reps, and watching highlights of the top performers helps everyone learn quicker and improve together. And it helped me master some key tactics to win this latest deal. The film also lets me focus on the prospect during meetings, so I can come back later to quickly review next steps and notes that I need to follow up with. I can easily tag others inside of Chorus to quickly call out something important to my manager, or loop in support or an SC for a technical question, or just show off if I nailed the meeting, which I did. As you can see, Chorus has become an invaluable tool to me and all the other reps on my team. And after it helped me win this deal, I might just make the All-Star team this year.